First wash of the cylinder head also. Now, let's have a look on it. I removed the carbon from the combustion chamber. I haven't removed the valves. I haven't touched the valves. I just removed the carbon. One second. Like this better? Like this better. Okay. This was like that from before. This because they machine it. You can see the marks from the CNC. Alright. Now, I don't know if this one and this one was here before. Okay. By the way, it's dry. Okay, let's see also here inside. Just to show you that I haven't touched it. I haven't touched the valves, I haven't touched the springs, the retainers, nothing. Okay, we are watching the intake. Before I continue to the exhaust, I have a fresh petrol here. I'm gonna fill it up with petrol. I just wanna see that does have any leak. While I was washing it, I saw from the exhaust that it was leaking some valves. We're gonna see. I don't want to open the valves for no reason. Okay? I don't want somebody to say, you know what, why you closed the engine a year ago, now you're opening the valves? For what? First of all, I haven't touched never the cylinder head. I didn't install the retainers, the valves, or the valve springs, or whatever. Okay? All are in place. I just check at the beginning to don't hit the rocker arm, the follower, or the hydraulic lifter, call it as you like, to don't touch on the retainer here. It was not touching. I saw that it was have plenty of clearance, so that's why I closed it and I put it all together. Let me bring the stand to put some of the mobile. I think, yeah, I have the stand. Okay. Good thing that I remember it. Let me see where I'm gonna put the stand. I don't wanna say where I'm gonna put the stand. Anyhow, to support the mobile and put petrol inside and watch it together if there is any leak from the inlet. And then we're gonna repeat the same thing from the exhaust. Give me a second. Second for you. Okay, not bad. I haven't touched anything, by the way. When I fill it up, I'm gonna get the mobile and we're gonna sit together. Now, I have a question. Why in hell I brought this one? To be more control, who gives an F? No worries, let's put it here since I have it. Alright. I can spot two valves that are leaking. Now, we have petrol. Yeah, both. 1 second. Both intake valves here are leaking. Yeah. Let me wipe it out. 1 second. Let's watch it. Yeah, especially this valve. This valve is leaking more than this one. And you can see that it came down here and sweat. Alright. These two valves looks excellent. This one it's wet. This is wet, this is dry. Yep, that's dry. I don't see nothing here, but here it's wet, this valve. So we have 1, 2, 3 valves. They're sealing okay. Here, oh boy, take a look. This valve leaks too much. Alright, and here a little bit of leak of this. This is okay. How many valves we have that's sealing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. You know what does mean that one, eh? That's the reason why I want to open the valves. That's the reason why I want to remove it. You know what? No, I'm gonna post a video and then I'm gonna ask the owner if he wants me to remove the valves. Now, let me drain 1 second the... Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Just a second, stay there. Now, the friends of mine from Greece, watching me wasting all this petrol, they're gonna kill me. They're gonna start screaming. Because in Greece, 1 liter petrol is €2. It can't stay like that. I have enough petrol. Yeah, fine. Okay. Let me get also the special rag. Let's wash it again. Now, dry. Okay, yeah, we're gonna evaporate. Not a big deal. If it's continuously leaking, we're gonna see that. Yeah. Alright, let's see the exhaust ports. Like I said, I didn't touch it, I didn't clean it, I didn't wash it. There was the leak. Alright, you can see inside. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch anything. Come on, focus. Okay. And that's the valve springs and retainers. Alright. Like I said, I remove the sealant, I blow it with air, and then I bring it inside. And remove also the carbon. Where I'm pointing, I don't know. Let's put petrol. Yay. It's okay here. Yeah, it's okay. Take a look. The floor house looks like garbage. Yeah, I'm sorry. Screw it. Let's go direct. In one valve, I don't have a chance even to take the phone. I think it's gonna be empty. Alright. Leaking all over the place. Petrol is going down. Alright. leaking. That's, oh boy, this has, take a look how much leak has here. Yeah. We have one healthy. This is not leaking. This is leaking. This is not leaking. This is leaking. This is not leaking. Too much. Okay. We have 2 valves from the exhaust. All the rest, disaster, all the rest. That's the reason why I want to remove the valves, to see the valve seats, to check the valves, check also the guides. Now I'm gonna remove the studs from here. I'm gonna ask also the owner, just to be on the same page. I know that he's gonna tell me to open it. I just want to ask him because it's his property. Just, I don't want to do something if he doesn't want to do it. Alright? From this point of view. Take a look, This became empty. Yeah, if you compare it, let us say, with the other. Yeah, you get the picture, right? Okay. That's it. Another small update. Yay. And don't worry, it's a 95 ROM, it's not 98.